Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to explain how can you get rid of cockroaches by using baking soda and sugar. How can you get rid of cockroaches by using baking soda and sugar? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos, and if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. Okay, so after making this mixture, it contains baking soda, also it contains sugar. So cockroaches are organisms which are found mostly to our homes, and cockroaches are very disturbing when they are at home. So what is the importance of this mixture of baking soda and sugar to kill cockroaches? It is like this: the sugar, it is the one which will attract the cockroaches, and the baking soda is the one which will kill the cockroaches. So everything in this mixture has its importance. It is not just there, but every mixture has importance. So sugar, it will attract the cockroaches, and the baking soda, it will go and kill the cockroaches. So this mixture, you're going to put it in a place where you can see there's a lot of cockroaches infestation there. That is the place where you're going to keep this mixture, and you should continue applying this mixture until you see that there's no more cockroaches. Also, this makes the disadvantage of this technique is that this technique is not useful if there's a lot of cockroaches infestation. So if there's a lot of cockroaches infestation, you can use this mixture, but also you need to apply other methods of killing the cockroaches. You can use insecticides or other ways of killing the cockroaches. But also the main important of this mixture, that this mixture is not poisonous, is not hazardous to people. Also, it is very cheap and very safe and affordable for everyone. So why should we kill the cockroaches? Cockroaches, they have a health impact. They have a lot of health impact. First of all, cockroaches, they produce saliva. Also, they produce feces. These feces and saliva, they might trigger allergic reactions to some people. Not all people, but they may trigger allergic reactions to some people. But also, cockroaches, they spoil our food. They lead to food contamination. But also, they lead to they are vectors for transmission of diseases. So we need to maintain our health. So when we need to maintain our health, we need also to kill the cockroaches. So we need to eradicate them. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.